Employee. Let's check how simple Strata can help employees. As an employee, what's the most important thing for me to be part of a strategy? Definitely, it's clarity. I would like to know what are the objectives I have to achieve and what are the activities that I have to execute. Traditionally, I used to receive this one by email, or actually I can check them on a certain site, which is I face an issue of accessibility and trackability of those things. Now, using simple Strata, I have my mobile, which is I can, at any period of time, I can get to know what's requested from me. So I will show it to you now, using the mobile, looking as an employee, how I can know my role within the organization, my objectives, and my achievements. So I will log in with an employee, which is, his name is Samar Omar, which is we already in the previous session, we added for him certain objectives. When I log in here, immediately I can see the whole organization structure. I can see the whole strategy, how it is structured and what's requested from each one within this strategy. So for example, if I want to know what are even other units, how they're measured, I can go here and check other people, how they're measured. And this is definitely important because it helped me communicate better with other employees within the organization because I know their priorities. If I want to check what's requested from me as an employee, I can go and press my space. In my space, there is a focus. It shows what are the functions I should work on. And from that functions, if I can open it, I can see it's like a board. In that board, I can see my objectives, the tactics that I have to achieve, my progress, my score. So if I go to objective now here, for example, I can see improve collection health, which was added by strategy. It directly communicated to me. Not only that, even if I want to execute certain efforts to achieve this result, I can go for tactics and I add those tactics. In that board as well, I can see my progress and my score within the organization. If I would like to know the details of my progress, I go to my dashboard, and from that dashboard, I can drill down. In this dashboard, I can see collection accuracy. I have low score. If I press in collection accuracy, I will be able to know why I have low score, because actually I scored low in forecast accuracy. If I press in forecast accuracy, I can know in which month I scored low in this area. And this will definitely help me as an employee understand in which areas I have weaknesses, and then it will drive me to start looking at what activities I have to add in order to achieve better results. So I'm going to brief you again in the presentation. The example that I did is, and as an employee, my main job is to achieve my objectives. To do that, I have to have the clarity of them. Previously, it was done using meetings and email reminders. The challenges, it is time consuming, no digital collaboration. Now, it is more accessible through mobile. I can see it in my board, and I can also see it, any changes through notifications, which is, I will come back to it later. I can also plan my efforts and communicate for my management. And I can see things in a style of words which is easier for me to understand.